Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I go to the mall and actually not a mall. So today me and my grandma went to the mall and I got myself a new airsoft gun. Model G38. Tell me if I'm doing it right. Silence well a silencer. So now we're gonna unbox this thing and let's see. The first thing is the gun itself, which is an airsoft, and it's pretty heavy actually. Actually looks weird. That's because there's no installed silencer. So now we'll take the silencer and just wait. We'll get the silencer. Put it in. Spin it in. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so here is the silencer. Does it have it with the silencer? Well, yeah. It actually is. Here is the caliber. Okay. I wonder how many bullets can go into this. Okay, so we got our 6mm caliber BBs. Okay, that is done, and now let's get test the gun. So let's do it. Okay, so apparently 9 bullets fit in here. So we're just gonna try and test it out. Okay, here we go. Here's our target. And it does surprisingly well. This gun gets my respect. 313A, which is a personal defense weapon. It gets my respect. It's just great. Oh my god.